Valerieh. Dam is half-sister of 1m60 horse RPM Canturado. The first breeding results of the international 150 level competing stallion Lambada Sheikh AG are very promising, and he is in the pedigree of this filly Valerieh, paired with a strong branch of Holstein dam line 776. Her dam Rosalie II has already foaled two 1m40 level horses and is a sibling of Christian Hesse's 160 level performer RPM Canturado. Grand Dam Camille II is a full sister to the international sport stallions Accorado 1st to 4th, and from this direct dam line also originates the 155 level competing horse Casal Blue Lambada of Stella Trimpi.